So next is multiplication of two complex numbers. So if they have given two complex numbers such as z1 is equal to a plus ib and z2 is equal to c plus id, then multiplication of these two is denoted by z1 into z2. So this dot denotes multiplication, that is nothing but a plus ib into c plus id. Okay, now we have multiplication of two brackets, so we'll expand this. So first a with this complete bracket, that is we'll get a in bracket c plus id, then ib with this complete bracket and this plus, so plus ib, and this bracket is c plus id. Now we'll just solve this. So a into c is nothing but ac, a into id is nothing but I times a into d, plus ib into c is nothing but I into bc, plus ib into id, so I into I is I square, and this b into d as it is. Now let's solve this. So now we can see that we can take I common from this. So what we'll get? AC plus I times AD plus BC. Now we know that value of I square. So I square is nothing but minus 1. Okay. So we can put minus 1 in place of I square. So minus 1 times B into D. Now we can write this real part and real part together. So we'll get AC minus BD plus I times AD plus BC, which is nothing but multiplication of two complex numbers. In this also we can observe that real part are together and imaginary part are together. Let's see one example. So our question is z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and z2 is equal to 3 minus 2i, and we have to multiply this complex numbers. So it will be z1 into z2, it is equal to 2 plus 3i into 3 minus 2i. Now we'll expand this bracket such that 2 with this complete bracket, that is 2 in bracket 3 minus 2i, and 3i with this complete bracket, that is plus 3i into 3 minus 2i. Now we'll solve this. So 2 3s are 6 minus 2 2s are 4 and I as it is. Similarly plus here, so plus 3 3s are 9i and plus minus is minus. So 3 2s are 6 and I into I is I square. Now we know that I square is nothing but minus 1. So I can put in this. So this will be 6 as it is minus 4 plus 9, it is plus 5i, and minus 6 into minus 1. So this will be 6 plus 5i, and minus minus becomes plus. So plus 6. So this will be 6 plus 6 12. So 12 plus 5i, which is your answer. So z1 into z2 is nothing but 12 plus 5i, which gives multiplication of two complex numbers. Now let's see how to divide two complex numbers. Now if they have given you two complex numbers such as z1 is equal to a plus ib and z2 is equal to c plus id, and you have to divide these two complex numbers. So z1 upon z2, this will be a plus ib upon c plus id, and condition is this c plus id is not equal to 0. Now we have to separate this real part and imaginary part. So what we'll do, we'll apply conjugate multiplication, that will multiply this by c minus id upon c minus id, that is we are multiplying with conjugate of z2, that is z2 bar will be c minus id. We are multiplying both numerator and denominator. Now we just have to solve this. So this will be a plus ib in bracket c minus id upon, this will be C plus ID upon C minus ID. Now we know that A plus B, A minus B, it is A square minus B square in denominator, and in numerator what we can say is this A into this complete bracket, that is A into C minus ID plus IB into C minus ID upon this will be C square minus, so C square minus I square into D square. Now we will solve this. So this will be AC minus I into AD. This will be plus I into BC, and plus minus is minus I square into BD upon this will be C square minus I square is minus 1 into D square. So now we will write real part together. So this will be AC and this will be plus BD. Similarly, this will write separate. So if we will take plus I common from this, so we will get BC minus AD upon we can write C square plus D square. So after solving we got AC plus BD plus I times BC minus AD upon C square plus D square. That is, real part will write separate and imaginary part will write separate. That is AC plus BD upon C square plus D square plus I times BC minus AD upon C square plus D square, which is nothing but division of two given complex numbers. Okay.